This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering the essentials, the exact Google address and the last password you remember. Once done, make sure you have the recovery phone or secondary email available and a device previously signed into that account. You should also open a modern browser and be on a secure network. If you don't have the phone, prepare alternative recovery details such as backup codes or the date you created the account. These increase your chance of seeing a removed account during recovery. You now run the recovery flow on Google's account recovery page. Enter the removed address and provide the last password you recall. This signals ownership. Next, respond to prompts for your recovery phone, email, or the account creation date. These details matter. If a code is sent, enter it promptly. If not, choose try another way and keep supplying historically accurate answers. Make sure to use the same device and location you used previously, because Google weighs that context when revealing account status. You finish by following the prompts to regain access. Update your password, verify recovery options, and inspect recent activity to secure the account. If Google reports permanent deletion, stop and check any local backups or other services tied to that address. Gather proof of ownership before contacting Google support. If you run into errors, try clearing your browser cache, use a different device or the original one, and wait 24 hours before repeating the recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.